Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. This is the best moments of 2017. These are the moments that I thought were the best throughout all of 17 that I really enjoyed and I really liked. One quick thing before we get into this, Eric Cox, he won my giveaway. If he doesn't respond to me by Saturday, today is Tuesday, so if he doesn't respond to me in 4 or 5 days? 4 days? Because that'd be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, 4 days. So if he doesn't respond to me by Saturday, I will be picking a new winner, which I will put out sometime next week, I guess. But Eric, if you're watching this, send me an email at 904fishingflorida@gmail.com, and it's down in the description below. It's always down in the description below, so if you guys want to fish with me, email me down there. And without further ado, let's get into it. Oh my goodness. It's a big one. I hooked into a big one.
It's a big stingray.
No, it's fighting too much for a stingray. Oh my God.
Flounder?
No, it's a big old fish, dude. Look, you can see it. Can I lip him?
Yeah. I don't know, I'd do it anyway.
Woo!
Damn, son.
God bless. Look at that.
Damn.
Woo!
It's in my face.
God, that's awesome. Holy shit. And that was on that little bottom 1/0 hook.
Damn. I'm about to cast way out. Where were you casting?
Like right off the drop. Dude, hell yeah. Oh, there she is. There she is. No, come here. Ow. Oh yeah. There she is. Nick's about to kill himself, I think. Perfect. 3.42, nice and fat. We're gonna let her go. And there she goes, right back down to that bed.
Shit. Oh God, no, not. Hold the rod, hold the rod.
All right, I got it.
Hold the rod.
Oh, that's a bucket.
Yeah, it might be. It's about as close as it's gonna get. Oh yeah.
All right. 5.4.
Second one, 5 pounds.
Nice.
That's a good day.
Is that scale accurate, Randy?
Yeah.
You sure it's not 3 pounds? There's one. There she is. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Yeah. That bucket. Worth it. Worth every single bit of it. 5.68. Hot mamma jamma. 5.68. Sweet. Let's get this big girl released, take some photos, and get her out of here. 8-9 foot long. I want to get some of those, but they're like, whoa. No fucking way. Are you serious right now? Oh, I did it. Oh my God, I did it. Please don't come out. Please don't come out. Please, for the love of God, do not come out.
Wow, I didn't.
He inhaled that. Look, the whole thing's gone. Like, I can't. Look at that. He ate it just like that. Just right in the mouth.
Very nice.
Oh my God. Look at that. First one on that swim bait. 1 pounds on the dot. There he is again. 29.5 inches. Just 11 pounds on the dot. Maybe a little over, maybe a little under. All in all, not too bad. Let's let this guy go. Let's go for the release on this guy. Look out. Hey Nick, tell the folks at home, what have you caught?
You know what I caught?
What have you caught?
Sadness. Hopefully this works.
There's the beast right there. 21 pounds. There we go. That's a new personal best. Oh, I'm so excited this worked out. Hopefully that's coming out. Again, I don't have a whole lot of lights, but hopefully that's working. There you go. All right, we're gonna get this guy released.
Get him. You. Oh. Yes.
Nice.
Dude, that might be a PB. All right. Still a sweet bass.
Yeah.
Damn.
Still nice. Well, been confirmed there are big bass in here. There it goes, back to the depths.
Woo!
Nice.
Yeah. There's a fish. There's a fish. There's a good one. There's a good one. Come on. Come on. God, look at that, you guys. Oh my God. So cool. I've never caught one of these before, you guys. First time. Oh my God, that was insane. Look at the teeth on that guy. Oh, that's so cool. I'm gonna take a picture. All right, that guy just told me that there was a bunch of them over there, so I'm gonna take a picture of this guy real quick and let him go.
Hey, Matt, pay attention. Come on, let's go. Reel it, get it, come on.
Boom.
Oh, that's a bass. Dude, we caught a bass.
Oh yeah.
Here, watch out. Here, hold the line. I'm showing 2.35. All right, let me see it. Turn it sideways, can't see it. There we go. All righty, nice, dude, nice. Good fish. All right, there we go. Boom. Do they have teeth? Oh yeah, they definitely got teeth. I ain't putting my hand in there. Is that legal? I don't know what legal size is for flounder. I have literally no clue what legal size is for flounders. He looks too small. I'm gonna guess he's too small. Do that, but we're gonna let this guy go here. We're gonna try to get this on film as much as possible. Oh wow, there you go, wow. Okay, well, there he goes. All right, so that was my video. I had a lot of good time. Randy was in a lot of those clips. I realized that as I was editing this, but Randy was in a lot of my clips. We had a lot of fun. I plan on doing a lot more fishing this year with my kayak and subscribers. So again, hit me up down below. Eric, I look forward to hearing from you and where I can send the stuff, and I will see you guys in the next episode.